When I do a roast, I pull out all the stops. And nothing impresses my friends more than an amazing standing rib roast. But do you know what's equally impressive, if not even more impressive? It's cooking using the latest technology that's now totally available and accessible to all, the Combi steam oven.
A Combi steam oven allows you to roast, bake, steam or sous vide. It's a combination oven which gives you the advantage of a standard oven, a steam oven or a combination of both. It allows you to brown on the outside while injecting steam on the inside, giving you the perfect result every time. I'm Rick Hart. Hart Co is a WA family-owned business that's been helping West Australians for almost 50 years in choosing their perfect laundry and kitchen appliances.
Now, it's one thing to be told something's fantastic, but seeing it firsthand proves it. Today, I'm going to be cooking a full feast, a whole Sunday roast, using one piece of equipment, the fantastic Combi oven. So first of all, we need to marinate our beef. Now, I'm using a standing rib roast from Borello Beef. These guys are another fantastic West Australian family-owned and operated business. First of all, we just need to lightly season the meat. We're only seasoning the meat side for now, and then we're going to rub some Dijon mustard all over the outside. Top and bottom. Gloves off, no mess. Sprinkle it liberally with plenty of pepper. That is ready to go in the oven. Now, I have preset this Combi oven to 120 degrees on a medium steam. What we're going to be doing first up is reverse searing. We want to have an internal temperature of 45 degrees, and then we're going to rest it for 20 minutes. Whilst all of this is happening, we can get everything else going. So first up is our carrots. In my restaurant, whenever we roast carrots slowly, we do it in butter. I'm going to add to that about a tablespoon of whole cumin seeds, a little bit of salt, and that's going to go in the oven with the beef. Whilst that's all happening, we're going to steam our potatoes ready for the roasties. Okay, so the reverse sear is done. Now we need to crank that temperature right up to maximum. That's going to make everything crisp up on the outside. So whilst our beef is finishing off, we're going to make the Yorkshire puddings. Now these are extremely important with a good old-fashioned English roast. We're going to start with 70 mils of milk, 2 eggs. Give it a little whisk up. And then we're going to add 100 grams of flour. Beautiful. Now I've got here these little dishes. We're going to add a full heaped teaspoon of bacon grease. Now we're going to put these in that really hot oven to heat up, and then basically after about 10 minutes of heating up, we're just going to pour a little bit into each and let them cook for about 15 minutes, turning the heat down to about 190. So there you have it, guys. Black pepper and mustard standing rib roast, roast carrots with cumin and honey, steamed greens, beef fat potatoes and Yorkshire puddings, all made in one oven. Do yourself a favour, come on down to Hart Co and check out their amazing showroom. Whilst you're here, you might even want to book yourself in for a demonstration.